isn't easy. Two hearts slowly breaking, living the highs and lows. I'm keeping busy. Don't know if we're worth saving. Are we meant to be, or are we second guessing? Would you stay with me if the world was ending? It's getting late, wanna fade away into the ocean waves. I don't wanna stay carrying this weight that will never go away. Are we falling deep, or are we just pretending? Would you stay with me if the world was ending? Are we meant to be, or are we second guessing? Would you stay with me if the world was ending?
And welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Robin, and if you're returning, thank you for watching this video. So I haven't done a proper intro, so here I am. I've been wanting to film this video for a while, and today is the day that I'm finally filming it, my 2021 productive morning routine. So I hope that you guys are enjoying the video, and if you are, please feel free to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell so that you can get notified every single time that I upload a video. I'm gonna be a lot more active this year on here and make a bunch of videos, and I just have so many creative ideas. So I'm really excited for what I have planned for 2021, for YouTube, for Instagram, for all of that. Also, if you're not already following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on there. My Instagram is just at ROBINNEELYY. I will have it here on the screen, and I hope that you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, so don't mind my dirty mirror, but this is my outfit today. So I'm wearing this cropped red sweatshirt from Garage. These are the Whitney Simmons x Gymshark collab. I think these are the high-waisted ribbed, because this you probably can't see, ribbed legging, and they're really nice, really flattering, really cute. And that's my outfit, and I'm gonna go put on some shoes and walk my dogs. And I forgot this is not a vlog, so I'm gonna go. Okay, Okay, and then the last part of my morning is cleaning up this whole mess and just making my kitchen clean and tidy again. So that's what I'm gonna do now.